आप लोगों ने देखा stock jumps 9% after securing Malaysian patent rights for advanced security laminate technologies. Shares of a leader in the green packaging technology specializing in the production of water-soluble films, bio-compostable films, and high-technology products used for controlling counterfeits surged nearly 9% on BSC after securing Malaysia potential for security laminates, which a market cap of 652 crore. Shares of Arrow Greentech Limited were trading green at 432 on BSC, up by around 2% as against its previous closing price of 425.1. The stock has delivered negative returns of around 25% in 1 year and has fallen by over 7% in the last 1 month. As per the disclosure, which the latest stock exchange Arrow Greentech Limited AGTL has secured patent rights for its innovation title security laminates to secure documents and methods for manufacturing the same or the territory of the Malaysia under the provision of the Malaysian law and certificate its और आप लोगों ने देखा जो stock jumps 9% after securing an Malaysian patent rights for advanced security laminate technologies. Shares of a latest green packaging technologies specializing in the production of water-soluble